very special day for all of us at River. We started River in 2021, we're just less than 5 years old. So when we started River, it was a few of us with very big hopes and plans. But the last 5 years have been very kind to us. Today, from a team, we have more than 1,000 people here from River team. We have more than 20,000 scooters on the road today that rolled out from this factory. Starting a new chapter for River, a new milestone where we celebrate our partnership with Yamaha. So as you know, Yamaha has been a household name in India. We have all grown up with seeing Yamaha vehicles as the epitome of craftsmanship and design and performance. And today, for all of us for River to have built a vehicle for Yamaha is a major achievement for a young company like us. And today we celebrate the outcome of that collaboration. Yamaha EC-06 is rolling out into the world from this factory here today.
Good afternoon, everyone. On this great occasion, of River Mobility to roll out the first electric vehicle, two-wheeler to Yamaha. On this occasion was graced our MLA, dynamic MLA from Hoskote, Shri Kumar Bacche Gowda ji, our Commissioner, Gunjan Krishna, Chairman India of Yamaha, Mr. Aota, and the proud co-founder of River, CEO here.
Namaskar. And a very good afternoon to everyone present here. A warm welcome to Honorable Minister Mr. M.B. Patil, for Minister for Large and Medium Industries and Infrastructure Development, and the Government of Karnataka, and Ms. Gunjan Krishna, Commissioner in Industrial Development, Government of Karnataka. And thank you very much, appreciate it. And today is truly a historic day for both Yamaha and River. As we begin production of our new electric vehicle, model EC-06, from this tremendous state-of-the-art facility in Bengaluru. I would like to express my sincere appreciation to the teams at River and also Yamaha for their exceptional effort and collaboration, which will enable us to accelerate the shift toward green mobility in the Indian two-wheel motorcycle ecosystem. The rollout of EC-06 today is indeed a remarkable achievement and a proud milestone for all of us.
ಸಮುದ್ರನ ಸೇರಿವತ್ತು ಏನು ನದಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಬರೀ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು, ಹೊಸಕೋಟೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಮುಂದಿನ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಶ್ರೀಲಂಕಾ, ನೇಪಾಳ, ಬಾಂಗ್ಲಾದೇಶ ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಸಚಿವರು ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ UK, ಯುನೈಟೆಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಸ್, ಯುರೋಪ್ ಇವೆಲ್ಲವಕ್ಕೂ ಕೂಡ ಪಾದಾರ್ಪಣೆ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ, ನದಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಸಮುದ್ರನ ಸೇರಿದಕ್ಕೆ ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಮನಸ್ಪೂರ್ವಕವಾದಂಥ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳು, ಜೋರಾದ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆಯಿಂದ ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರೂ.
When we see a world-class product being manufactured here, it gives us confidence that Karnataka is firmly on the path of building the next generation of mobility and manufacturing. Congratulations to the entire River and Yamaha teams for reaching this important milestone. Karnataka has been always believed in being ahead of the curve in technology, in innovation and in manufacturing. Clean mobility is now one of the most important industrial transitions of our time, and Karnataka is determined to be among India's leading states in this transition. We are strengthening the ecosystem through policy support, infrastructure expansion and a strong focus on R&D, skills and advanced manufacturing. We're already seeing strong results in the ground. Karnataka has been widely recognized for leadership in EV infrastructure, thousands of charging points already established and further expansion in the way. Today's rollout is a powerful example of local expertise meeting local innovation. Yamaha is a globally respected name, and River Mobility is a strong Karnataka-born company, a proud company that represents the energy of Bengaluru's innovation ecosystem. The product being rolled out today, the Yamaha EC-06, represents practical, high-quality urban mobility. The specification highlighted for it, including the certified range suitable for direct commuting and a motorcycle designed for city conditions, reflect the direction the market is moving, performance, reliability and sustainability together. This also creates broader economic value. When such projects grow, they generate skilled jobs, strengthen local supply chains and create opportunities for MSMEs and talent, especially in and around industrial hubs like Hoskote. And we are all very fortunate to have a people's representative, the MLA of this area. You are also the chairman of QNH, Sharath, Bacche, Gowda. You are in a very progressive and very safe hands. So you get all support.
ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಸರ್ಕಾರದಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸಚಿವ ಸಂಪುಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಕ್ರಿಯಾಶಾಲಿಯಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬರಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ M.B. ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಅಣ್ಣವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೊಸಕೋಟೆ ತಾಲೂಕಿಗೆ ಮನಸ್ಪೂರ್ವಕವಾದಂಥ ಸ್ವಾಗತನ ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಗುಂಜನ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವರು, ಯಮಹಾ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಜಿಮ್ ಅವರು, ಮತ್ತು ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ರಿವರ್ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಸ್ಥಾಪನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಆದರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಅರವಿಂದ್ ಅವರು ಮತ್ತು ವಿಪಿನ್ ಅವರು ಹೊಸಕೋಟೆ ತಾಲೂಕನ್ನ ತಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗೆ ಮನೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರಿಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಮನಸ್ಪೂರ್ವಕವಾದಂಥ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನ ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಕೋರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. I would really extend a very warm thanks, because there are thousands of places where River could have made home, but River has chosen Hoskote to make its home. And I hope that despite the growth and whatever happens, Hoskote will always remain the River's home.
Aota, Aravind, Vipin, and all the friends present here. It's indeed a pleasure here. Pleasure to be here on this momentous occasion. In fact, I recall our meeting, which happened 2 years back when Aravind and Mayuri had come to my office, and then and I was very impressed, because what I have seen, I had seen the story of Aether, I had seen the story of Ola, and I was like, in such a short period of time, they could turn it around, and this is an amazing story. And after coming here, what I can see is, this infectious energy in the room. I think that is what represents River. Like a flowing river, there is a flowing energy throughout this room. So, congratulations. The other thing is because both my minister and Mr. Gowda has spoken, and they've really made a case for Karnataka. What I would like to say is that Karnataka has this entire ecosystem for an electric vehicle industry to succeed. Now, if you look at all the building blocks, be it the machine tools, capital goods industry, if you're looking at electronics, if you're looking at IT, because what is nowadays an electric vehicle is basically software on wheels, electronics on wheels, and that is something Karnataka excels in. In all of these areas, we are number one. If you're looking at
I also started my motorcycling experience from an iconic Yamaha product, which is RX100. So, it's a fantastic. So, fast forward a little bit. I done my schooling, then I became an automotive designer, especially a motorcycle designer. Then I joined the other manufacturer from Japan, and then my relationship with Yamaha was no longer that childhood memories. It became my competitor as well for around 8 years. So all those 8 years, I keep looking at the Yamaha product portfolio and amazed by the kind of performance or the engineering, all those things that Yamaha products used to give us. And if I look at right now, it's a funny way that it's all come circling back. After that work experience with Honda, then we started River. Then we raised capital from Yamaha, and now today we are rolling out a product which we jointly developed with Yamaha. And